Yeah, the radia say Bunu East.
Yes.
Drip a whole BB ekoso.
BB ekoso kama.
Mo ye juma. Drip machines no.
Yeah juma. But juma na ye no sena yesipe no nti but
mo pese mo ye ne say.
Say yesi kwacha de efe.
You discane. You okay.
Nyina yesikasem.
Nti scan ho.
Scan my but ebeba.
Okay. Where the prelims nani so na regional minister no hoye mayor omo nyina hoye
obi a hoye regional minister say otu kwan kakra
okay
ba omo nyina hoye
okay
say enura nwumbre no fira okonkran
okay all right yate here that say my yensha say na yensha say yenkomo twetwe drip machines ena me di kan ebusa woni ba me ni mebia wo kofobia obeche omo asale ya shase
mechi am party mpanyifo wo Techiman and Techiman potem Techiman North Nkranza North and Sato mamutie bia titu mu party regional chairman chairman UNESCO.
Okay.
Michiano pa also beti because we were a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Also beti program no Michiano. Na machia chairman for an executives and me communication team members are more Bunu is Techiman and Techiman of Nya.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Drip machines NDC amanyuko no mobeto no memfan Bunu is.
Yeah.
Send a mobeto ye.
The kind yeah car dripper district roads in program,
yeah.
And it's abanda than our kono MPP aban. Let me say no mudi municipal assemblies in the common fan car. And the parliamentary select committee in charge of local government. Omu kotinasi said that abayano because of how a womb at that time how economic let's say problem in a face as a country.
Okay.
Omu say kase di abayana chi akase untu yesa iskana wontimi. Tini abayani say omuni common fund administrator ne abayano be enter into agreement na kana eda hono anka omufa nkra mfidie edi ya kwan emawo na nka mfidie ni ba ebechicha ama district bi anya bi inti district ni nya omwa munya sika kakra no tofuela mbetimi dia CC mantem kwan ededa ho eno na ekofa drip ebai omuye no so aban esu mu ena omuni common fund administrator edi nkoma ama musan agreement in with plan pool and ekran fidie ni buy to fidie ni buy nam say na last quarter of 2024 which is around August September and the amount me of anye much of the work I saw with the na abane efiri ho and this abane buy no we have taken over you buy no na because a new initiative and a program no and said that ni lay down procedure and as a rules be a guide the implementation of the drip program.
Okay.
And I feel so it's kasemo
send. But okay say rules and answer.
Let me say on say every program biano I was saying like structure.
As a okay.
Ama program na timakoso.
Okay.
Now there were no structures available.
Okay.
Because structures are since I mean say you were district coordinators all over the country. Every district has district drip coordinator.
Okay.
Your regional coordinators, the system regions in our regional coordinators. Your national directors, director in charge of administration, finance, and everything. Those structures were not there.
Okay.
Because a new thing, by we are putting in place those structures. Since BBI Koso, Adia Aka, a funding, dedicated funding, a base sustaining program. That is where we are now. Nti egusu a abai district bia wo mfidie be at least be 6 district assemblies no wo mfidie ni be 5
district bia okay
and municipal assemblies no wo mfidie be 6
okay
mfidie no ebi ni grader motor grader
okay
ba ko ni tipper truck okay. Uko district omo baako tipper track baako ba oko municipal assemblies na omo tipper track 2
okay
and na ma omo de na 6 na we dum de air 5
okay
omo ruler mika ruler compactor e kwan ni bia na e de tia so ma
ya ema no eche okay
and na omo water bowser na ya e dispensing su omo ye kwan and na omo you free baako be low bed
ana
baako
okay
and on why say excavator no
okay
ba eno na so ne yemi
okay
baako wo form a de spreading ye de spread net na wo na baako wo actually to say excavator no the friend baako omo obi
okay
and na omo maka grader on yeah omo water tanker pillow da no original machine mechichirim
okay
enti omo sanfidi na omo concrete mixture and na ye de mix concrete in case omo ye kwan na be hia say kwan no ba bia say yenya covet ho
okay
omo abetima to iron rods ape omo chippings na omo mix na omo de aye
okay
omo obi and na oba do say municipal na tipper track na 2 ti omo de ni 6 na district ni 5
okay
apart from that no omama mfidie bi and because endorse na enso district bi aso no eno no ma santana the original capital enti oba bunu afwa ye wo hwilover na ye di load
bunu east
okay rather sorry na ye di load na tia na abo no hwilover no
enti region nso e wo ne de
yes
eno na ye say
na mi boss yi
okay
hwilover na ye 6
okay
and the 6 and bulldozer nso ye 3 bunu east no
okay
ye water bowser baako grader baako roller baako
okay
these are original machines adentia because eno endorse say be so 11 constituencies no ti eno ye center no region and aye pa be zone machines no na district bia on person mu ye adwuma na on be hia we na on ni no they put in request
okay
enti asama ye low beds eno na ya edi mfidie ni siso ekoba bia enti low beds no enso ye 3 ewo bonus
okay
enti wo request ya bebi a wo bia district bia na ye de low bed ni so
no model
na de akọ na de wo de akọ wo de na wo no
okay
na wo de ya adwuma so this is what drip has done
okay.
Enti wo hwa original machines no ewo ho but because e pese ye adwuma no ye mre ema wo mo no me call my mini regional minister kasai nti as I talking to you ya zone machines no original ones no we loaders na A6 ya the 3 ko atebubu
okay
as a zonal center nti yeji prime kejeji kwam down so omopa
na omo akwakofa
ya fadi akomom ena edi grader baako akoka ho ena say bulldozer baako ewo ho nti this machines ni na watebubu nti se omo request ya e de 2 low bed no so a na edi akomom no omo ye adwuma bia na sande aba nti active na ezu na center na ya majani aka nyina ho Techiman ya
okay
nti ko RCC ho those machines no so one who machine ho na che say district bia request ama media akomom se omo fanya adwuma mu wi na asan ko fa ba so okay. This is how the structure is about drip.
Okay, nti NDC mo betake over no. Mo hyehyɛ ya mode aba e wo drip machines no one day.
Ye debate take over no. Se na make na wo say ye those appointments no. There are people who be responsible for the movement, maintenance, deployment of the machine.
Okay.
So you set up those structures as say make say regional coordinators so much training. Ya co training wo bolga.
Okay.
Bibia district coordinators ya training them ade aka no ye operators no but before say national be training them no me am take it upon myself and makohu military officers from engineering department no
okay
they are good when it comes to those handling of those machines and even plant pool buy you know as part of the contract here because they have idea about how the machines are used to omon na ya omo use omo training ye operators my many MPs na kasa am fund the training of the operators as I'm talking to you every district here
okay
pending what national will add and obey to say supplementary training be amount.
Okay.
And this year they can handle the machine.
But maybe once MPP for time, almost so much training for sir.
Yes.
Na adan na mobile man found because you know Ghana for Emma. You know ya toaba.
I can tell you for a fact, most of them have been maintained. Most of them.
Okay.
Oko Atibubu, Oko Prime, most of them, because he realizes it's not about the particular, it's about the competence.
Yeah.
How to handle the machine, because who handle machine here and beche. And so most of them have been maintained, but most of them to left.
Okay.
Left. And Tianusano will replace them with new operators in the sanity.
And see, machines, training be at the back when I say,
no, machines, every machine is supposed to be handled by 2 operators.
Oh, okay.
Because Baku, Juma, Baku by assisting.
Okay.
Sanity, machines, this is now more 5. It means that they will employ 6 times 2, about 12. And to be 12 operators in every district sanity.
Okay. I shall send me beside say machines in a year, Juma.
Yeah.
Now say Annie. They say I can say Bono East. Machines
no say they buy no. As I was telling you, since September no, up to the time I take you over. Maybe take you over in August last year.
Okay.
Now you're in servicing machine. Machine also are supposed to be serviced every 6 months. In it, directive free headquarters by say every district should pack the machines until they are properly serviced by the service contractors, our plant pool.
Okay.
As part of their contract, machine be a 2 years warranty. And so within the 2 years warranty, you can't allow anybody, company to service the machine.
Okay.
Unless one
the machines number. Okay.
So they are the service contractors. So they are supposed to go around and sign the contract with all the municipal assemblies, district and municipal assemblies. You have done that, with the exception of Techiman South.
Okay.
Omonian signed contracts with example, and their machines have not been serviced. Quite apart from that, the 10 other district or municipal assemblies, machines have been serviced and they are using them.
Yeah, because many kasai Adamo.
Yeah.
Pia Techiman not or catch him say a year Juma, but for once a minor allocated KBNT, MP no, Honorable Elizabeth, and a supporter Kaka. And I think,
and then the funding issue, no, yes, sir. On say a buyer, Nanka was say, yeah, dedicated funding for it.
Okay.
Yeah, the youth employment by. We introduce a tax called Talk Tax, Silverkaya. I know now the percentage of it. Fund the youth employment. Now youth employment, it continues. But drip on you need bisa say dedicated funding because drip is just 1.5 years old. And inti unshada ni mrabia emma kwan say yam fasika wi emfa nkoye drip adwuma. Nanka de ayewe say common fund. Aban no ebe yen hihye through parliament no magia tum say percentage of common fund should go into drip.
Okay. For
the activities of drip. But then, Ambanasa. So now our national bosses, Eguso our money common fund secretariat in the year say this year formula of sharing the common fund. The common fund administrator have to develop the formula to share the common fund. He will take it to Parliament. Parliament will approve it. Then they now disperse the common fund according to the formula. Until if somebody come, say as part of this year's formula for the sharing of the common fund, ABR, this percentage should go to dripper. Now we are sure say every quarter it will scarcely be. We are proposing say 750,000 should be released to drip every constituency, every quarter. A part of it will be used to pay the operators and the coordinator.
And the maintenance
will be used for maintenance. Part of it will be used to maintain our roads.
Okay.
So that is where we are now. But for the meantime, recently, Common Fund Administrator released allocations.
Okay.
He has allocated almost 10 million Ghana cedis for the training and administrative purposes.
Okay. And only for
training of the operators.
Okay.
All the operators.
Operators.
and administrative purpose.
Okay.
And the bompa is ebia na ishia on said DRIP is directly under the office of the president.
Yeah.
And inti omuguso amoni Minister of Rules kasa. Say kai yemfa DRIP nkwahye Minister of Rules.
Okay.
Na under Minister of Rules ni yewo Road Maintenance Trust Fund. Na ama abaino that legal backing.
Okay.
To be able to use part of that funding to fund the activities of DRIP. Say no she na ebusu ahi. Say yejitu musadia, then DRIP is ready to go full out to do what is expected of us as a program.
DRIP no ankasa ejuma ben na wose eye.
DRIP is about feeder roads.
Okay.
Urban roads out.
Okay.
Feeder roads.
Did you say Techiman?
Potem
yes.
Aquino. This is what DRIP is all about. In ABCC, even opening of new roads, it is our responsibility. Farm roads, it is our responsibility. Some assemblies are using it. Once there is available funds for them to use it.
But say Techiman South, your available funds.
Techiman South is one of the
you will go because they no mayor betina here no
internally generated fund.
Yeah.
Kagana maybe if you take 10 municipalities, Techiman South will be part.
Yeah,
for me, that is my assessment.
Mayor so be kan wa.
So but the fact is that there are a lot of loopholes. So I'm going to plug it, those loopholes now. No more silly, those potholes.
Not just say, Sikana yet, no. A question for the bottom.
So if they are able to maximize their internal regional fund, me Kabibia said the Techiman South to know even need common fund to develop.
Not an was a most multinational. I was so bottom.
When I was in Atibu as a FNA chairman, I was an FNA chairman of Atibu Municipal Assembly from 2009 to 2017. Always, we formal revenue mobilization task force. We have pay pick up and I'm always part of it.
Okay.
Rounds, you're able to identify all the loopholes. To whom collectors, one of the strategies, you don't keep one collector at one post for long.
For long, okay.
All the secret strategies are via scanner, then you take them off there, and with the full forever. And no son, because they are always conscious of a biametric changing anytime.
Yeah.
On by the writing. And you'll be able to identify, say, we or ya dear hapa, let me keep it in there. And Sikai Wonya Bahono, then you set that target for him. Obiako or the 200 aba, Obiako or the 400 aba, Obiako or the 350 aba. It means that averagely, 350. A bit man. So you set that target for them. If they are not able to meet it, you take them from that place. If they do that, they will see.
But so don't say they. Say if we.
Member of the assembly,
but they okay.
Even though I can offer that,
yes,
but it is for them.
Since our party no more there, we.
Yeah, it's true.
The yen I bit me a boy because yen mean now say sika sika na yen ye breno. And coach back for a bottom. Last time brother Miri fini dinka kwa or send me message or troll ye who news kwa or troll kratanko ekoma regional minister concerning sa issue ya you can want me but one responding
where NDC
yes or NDC na ofria brother say uti ambacho send me din no why
nwi kakra
minim no mi nsia no but yeah minim din komo e wo phone so
you share me no say the same issue no
okay
say he has taken it up or I'm so or granting interview crowd people be
yes I think you know because me way you know
Kojo Cocaine that's the guy name okay yes he has discussed it with me
okay yeah because
is supervisor now hano me na ye adwuma be 6 years so atibu the friend Mr. Albert Ayori
okay
no atibu satan na me ye FNA chama And he was the revenue supervisor, so he knows me very well.
I think Ayori no mom na accusing because guy no accusing say
that's why I mean Kai say or not.
Yeah.
Because he has discussed that issue. I'm on the catching say Ayori have worked with him before.
Yeah.
Yes, or no accusing, but then as to say no creno.
And dear,
yeah. Me you na say woman any edawo. Na task force no be set up. You should do it. Na omunjiji scanner man. Honorable Adom is doing something. My name say
Adom Johnson.
Very, very, very innovative. Wakofa omuye good in ICT.
Okay.
When it comes to identifying what amount is supposed to come from this revenue point.
Okay.
And why yes, in fact, what CC I mean to say, oh sorry, now we're revenue collector, now uncle ya juma that day they will know.
Because you be quite our day.
Yes. And I was setting up this award scheme while with my help. So it motivated them. And I'm telling you, revenue no previously he is doubling it in the state. So if other DCs will listen, contact him, let him show them the way. I think they can maximize the internal revenue they are getting, and it will help them buy fuel to work on the amount for free. They be almost say yes more use machine, and I've been granting interview upon interview every day, explaining to them say and sanity. They are supposed to service the machine before they use them. If they have not been serviced, they can't use them. And almost servicing the Pro West were the last out of the 10 districts to service their machine. And then made the wheel loader and bulldozer prime.
Okay.
They are going to use it to do their work. So if they are able to service it, they will do their work. Maybe I bet now I see almost from Jerusalem. My children sit down below. I've taken it upon myself 22 trips because they're a contractor. And all the album, I'm fixing that road. You understand? This year, I cover 13 trips. Maybe they complain about quite from dancing down to even a tram. Baby, I'm meeting. I'm doing it on my own. I'm using music at top fuel good grader because G grader no adomo.
Okay.
I'm grader no. Since I'm because grader no, you're found quiet because me we are Jumano. I'm doing it on my way. So if they are able to maximize their revenue generation, they should be able to be doing all this thing. And the Nipa night to no money budget. Now no spread because great and Juma you come and see the way the people were happy. They were asking me, Abane ya na misi happy, betina happy fee ya, betina machiliba fee, Tim Pessimisia.
Wow.
You understand? So these are some of the things that we can do to help the citizens.
I think a boy because anytime we are no home, you will be someone make your potholes, your quine.
Very, very true.
And yet, see to me, yes, never boy, yes, and so and Koboka for be see a contract. I'm think and
yes, and a drip is not about contract. Drip is about fuel.
I know I'm making
contract a betche. Then. But drip, district be our drip management committee, headed by the DC, assisted by the drip coordinator. Coordinating director is a member. FO is a member. A road engineer is a member. Then one rep from the traditional council, and then a military attaché. Those military men and Americans who be attached because they have deep knowledge about the machines. So obedi ba ko be attach. Once you have the money, you only meet and decide that this is the number of roads we have. This is the number of kilometers we want to work on. If in the year you want to do maybe 10 kilometers, you have to approve it. Then you look at how much you spend. That's where DFO will come in. When the money is ready, you deploy, the drip coordinator will deploy the machines. You release the money, they buy fuel. They work, they do their work. That's all.
And the boy, and the
government, look, I'm telling you this. MPP accepted to do drip because they wanted to use drip to keep MDC in opposition.
Yeah.
This is a fact. MPP beyond 2024, and they will use drip. They will keep us in opposition for a very long time. So I'm part of it. So Tia, you should make fund available for us. Yeah. Let us use the machine. They are there, brand new machine. In so Canada, is what.
Because said by Anchebiana.
Yes, let us use the machine, do the roads, and let the people enjoy, and then they will continue to vote for this. This is what we are asking the government to do.
Because last time it is honorable J.M. Sakosa, so or service machines.
Yeah. Because and said, plant pool contract now they enter into for the servicing. Mayor near what can I say? Omukosia Minister of Local Government and our catchroom say they should look at the contract before they sign. They should look at it very well before they sign. And so Obayen, he raised that concern. And a regional minister says, okay, fine. Mema lawyer Ajman, I go through the document. Now what my advice? He went through the document and he has offered the advice just for the servicing. And scanon so no. If they have anything to do with the scanon cost of servicing each matter, they can talk about it. But there's nothing implicative about the document or the contract. They should go ahead and sign it. And I for MMDCs in a normal sign. But on no just say because of Sadena minister no kayano abono and he doesn't want to sign.
Okay.
But recently me call no office or catch him say we free plan proof on say must send the work order more from be friend work order.
Okay.
That is where you indicate say machine we problem we want problem when you be service if it is a part they are supposed to replace, they'll bring it and replace it.
Okay.
So my fairly work order now. So I'm looking at maybe next week.
Okay.
Maybe full up I say if they have been able to work things out that no my service machine.
Okay.
So almost service they are good to go.
And the machine no. Ubia wo hon kwan say
private.
Yes,
no,
private.
No, it's not accepted.
Government.
Government
work.
Yes.
Okay.
But then there are exceptions.
Okay.
For instance, kwanya ebai on say enye.
Yeah.
Na ebia SOMPA as an organization. Okay, monsieur drip. Ebe ma mu fuel kakra. Kwanya na munye senya mu kwa na mu yusu kwanya.
Yeah.
A man for next.
And so a faso.
So in that case, ebe na ya engineer no abebe. Na ya estimate number. If you can afford the fuel, and there will be a chop money I give my operators who will come and fix it for you.
Okay.
And the by say ukoye with juma private juma no about say drip mommy machine and it's not accepted.
And no will be say be our cotton asas or percent or sit down or so juma no
it is not accepted.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay.
It is not. Omuko akra MMDC no muko workshop and Minister of Local Government, Ahmed, no catch home say. As at that time, no, it's of the view said drip is under Minister of Local Government because a assembly program. And to catch home say, contract now, plant proof for new or mobile sign. They should be very careful. They should look at it again before they sign it. Mayor, so I don't know they are Trinity. Listen, but then I believe say on one kasanya butre and you go through because when you go through it's just about Baku yes service here yebejisi.
Oh okay.
On tipa track in service here yebejisi.
Inti bibo nti ase na meyo enya nti na ye no.
Nti ase no and asisi aye problem.
Aye problem a Techiman South yentimi service ye de.
Ye de no nti ase no. And media.
But Ebanisa, one our coordinator, one consult.
Yeah, one say you're from Ukraine Lanteba. You invite all the MMDCs in the presence of the regional minister at the RCC. We explain it more. We say at the national level, yes, we were legal department. And the contract, I'm so steady. And then, okay, so there is nothing ambiguous about it. It's just about servicing of the machine. And duration as a way utia scan and almost service here you have 90 days to pay and you're paying crime
Okay.
You have 90 working days to pay. And so, I need to be a year, but I believe said because of sir, as a minister, I catch you say, Shay and son of our son. And I bonu kakra.
But say, yeah, young for us.
Or master sign.
But oh,
and I'm appeal to me, say, you should just sign the contract. Let us, and also, the other side say, almost cano eso. Cost charges in also. And to no person pay Nisika or throw Moma assess outside the contract or no pay ska or whom machine be a cow bebo, which is lesser than near plant proof for edge. To pursue Nescanos, I scan. Now, Omombe service, no tree. Part of my report, I'm supposed to report on the machines, the safety, the maintenance. So I include my indicators with the exception of Techiman South, all the 10, other 10, the rest of the 10 municipal MMDC DAs have serviced their machine and they are using them, with the exception of Techiman South. So
and
the national,
they don't
on say,
and no one wasn't clear in Tamo.
on say, me, Mahoney said, me, who said, scanner Muji, but on say, oh, yeah. At the peak and crying, let me use that for everybody to understand. Peak and crying. Any Miyama, now mama installments of 3 months installment period to pay. I said, you don't expect say a baby. Say peak and crying with the amount of 500. So me spreading for 3 months because of depreciation of our currency and other things. No, definitely I will not give it to you at 500. Baby at 700 na ma spread am so him say mayor who say scanoso and but or cast was servicing of paying client or the lesser amount be so let me get the money and then service the machine
Intines kana ye je no e wo hen
say the co other and no more recurrent expenditure the assembly fuel everything so there are other things they use the money for so media I'm not holding brief for him but near Wakama Martin and America. So we any picking cry to his
any better picking cry better and your
so I work with an so I am they have to follow her to see when would they be coming to service the machine. They are supposed to give me office accommodation at the municipal assembly.
Okay.
So even I was in his office on that. I have my chance so a call about these photos. And he was angry on the phone. I'm saying somebody am a contractor in Italy.
And you know somebody
he was talking and said, "Auntie, I did be me France."
Because may your back catch me say,
"I'm on for Friday for me."
Contractor beer.
I heard him talking about.
Yeah, oh no, the beer. Oh no, sometimes before I was a guy, because I catch say. Yeah, hano kopim tamwa.
Yes, it's
true. Yes, I dear no. To me, dear, me man do.
No teach phone.
Yes.
The beer me throw out so bad.
But may your mameti say contract be a woman the contractor chenensa. Yeah, oh delay no. On the GF is me
this one should be one of them because portals need too much. And no, they are brooms and it's not the best.
Easy.
The name himself obey.
Okay.
Obey. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
Okay.
He will do it.
Okay. You will pay for the first.
It's not lost.
Yeah. You bomb say obey. Okay. Nti now we can say reporter or the cost one.
Yes.
Yeah. Bunu Easter say.
Oh, Bunu Easter de ya adwuma kakra. Mebo boso kakra.
Okay. Is that the baby Techiman South to go from because yeah service in
the region that you do her. Set your region in
okay.
Region in so one say
Hanti mebo region there no and so much service area and any problem
no answer by because a regional machine
okay
like the water bowser
okay
the ruler in use
okay
and yes so
okay.
You don't need to service it
okay
near use bulldozer and also your service
okay
tuning in our service but could the MPP time no ɔmo de kɔyɛ adwuma bi wɔ Chami Kuro ɛwɔ Sini West
okay
ɛna ɔmo abu cylinder no
wow
sana ipagya aso no anti da so wɔ dua na asisi amino kase ya ya krabia eba yɛ de bɛkɔ akɔfisi
okay
na ya pagya firi hɔ ba two na aka no de ya service ni nyina ɛna reloaders no so yɛ bae no na before they akɔhyehyɛ district ni bi ɛde yɛ adwuma during election no nti ɔmo wie na ka hɔ. So when they were servicing their machines, they serviced them.
Okay.
And sana me retrieve them back to servicing.
All right. Okay.